switching up. Buy the motherfucker out the bottom with a gold grill, gleaming, make all the old pride. Stop creeping out the fucking dungeon. Switchblade on him, hit the guns like a pump.
Everybody trying to race on that thing down there?
Don't do it.
I'll do it. The amount of money I would pay to just put the R1 in the middle of this thing and film some stuff would be crazy. It's our boy Flo over there. He's also recording his portion of the inside of the building. Wow. I like the mat. What in the world is that though? Hold on. That's interesting looking. Nice. Cool. I'm probably gonna hold off, get ready to head up to the plaza here in a minute. Meet up with some friends and go from there. Get checking out the bikes. That front wheel came so far off the ground for just pulling that bitch. Oh my god. This bike sounds so good, dude. I'll probably hold off on filming too much because I don't want to, you know, take up all the battery for the supercar stuff. What the hell that? Oh my god. Oh, the supercar meet. Yeah, that's right. My GoPro better be rolling. Ooh. Look at every single person who drives one of these cars, dude. Wearing a polo shirt. Probably bald with a pair of aviators. Oh my god. McLaren, this is buddy. Oof. One of his buddies is in the McLaren. Not that McLaren, but the other McLaren, the gray one. Whee! Angry lady for what? I can't believe other cars exist on the road. I am so angry that there was a meet. Look at how angry she looks. Look at that forged carbon, dude. Nasty. I'm glad my brakes work. There he is. That's what's up, bro. Dude, there's no way. That's so wild. So I think the deal is we're locking onto this McLaren here. He's with us. What a crazy thing to come out of my mouth just now. He's with us. Oh my God. Oh. that, bro. The gray and the bronze combo is just very nice. Very nice. Dude. That's so sick. That dude whips the out of that car. Oh my gosh, that spoiler was crazy. Oh my gosh, another one. Hey bro, you're doing good. I believe in you. You got all these dudes doing this. No, not there's no space. There's no speed here. Yeah. Give him a rev. You want to rev your bike? My bike doesn't sound good, otherwise I would. Hell yeah. Yeah, dude, that sounds good. I see some scrapes on the street.
Parking out on the gas. I wonder how they got the permission. They like rent it? Well, they got money, they just bought it.
That's true, bro.
They literally just bought it. How much was the rent it? Oh, it's just cheaper for me to buy it actually. That's wild. So we're gonna take a look at some of these cars here in just a moment. We're gonna take a little break, but man, what a fucking
It's definitely a beautiful spot. Look how official Flo is with his intros here. I'm nowhere near as professional. Look at all these nice straight wheels and MulletMotos back there just crooked as hell. Oh my god. That dude looked lost. So we were out here and everyone had just pulled in. Everyone was parked and security goes over an intercom and they say something about moving all of the cars off of the front lawn. And everyone had just parked. So it's been a minute since they made that announcement. I don't think they're really trying to rush, but they said park it on the pavement. So our bikes are down there and one of the people said line them up behind the bikes. So now we're leading the pack, dude. I'm not complaining. I think after this we have a bit of a route planned up to maybe K5. We have a camera car ready and I guess we're gonna see what's gonna happen here, so stay tuned. Jesus, my bike is so quiet, bro. So depressing. He looks so happy. Every time. Back tire's too cold, slides out. It gripped that time.
now. We did the result of a reject from a small town. Can I do it in the ball now? Loud rounds, no limit on the track. Stick the fuck back home, slay the whole pack home, keep them no black home.
Meow. Meow. I guess we gooning, huh? Dude, we locked this Lexus in, bro. Hey. Hey. What am I looking at right now? Meow. Meow. I am sipping tea in your hood. My bike is still vertical. Oh, hi. What's that, bro? Something like that, bro. Appreciate it, bro. You too. We'll try our best, man. Yapper and a trapper. Certified booty clapper. Turtle snapper. This gasoline smells good enough to drink.
Brother,
It's Red Bull time, baby girl. I got a Red Bull in my hand, bro. I couldn't drink it fast enough and we gotta go. I'm just revving with the side of my hand. I'm a professional. I'm maneuvering this Red Bull through both my hands, yeah. Hey, yo! Sometimes you just have to believe in yourself, you know? Yeah. Stay the away from me. Stay the get away from me. No! 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 My bike's a Yamaha. It won't turn back on. My stomach tightened up a little bit. Oh my god. Oh, he fast as f, huh?